Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change fonts on Roblox using Bloxstrap. So what you want to do is search a Bloxstrap just like this. Click the first one right here and click on Bloxstrap latest like that. And then click the latest one, like the latest asset that Bloxstrap have. Once you download and set everything up, let's search it. Those modes go down, and when you see apply custom fonts, and then just like apply it, like just like if you already have a font, remove, then like just click this, and then a folder should pop up. Then select the old font and then just save just like this, close, and now refresh Roblox and join your game, and you shaft the font. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.